Warning. The United States Civil Defense has issued a zombie outbreak warning. People experiencing the following symptoms are required to be quarantined. These symptoms are twitching, fever, insane blood loss, and bloodthirsty state. If your loved ones or neighbors are experiencing these symptoms, call 911 or your local hospital immediately before it's too late. Defend yourself. Stock up food that lasts for 3 months. The United States National Guard has been deployed to contain this disease, however. It's just the beginning. May God bless you in the United States of America.